Oh, hi there. I'm Chris from our video department here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. I wanted to get in front of the camera today to talk to you about FireLine stringing material and why it's a selected favorite among our jewelry designer team here. Renowned for its exceptional strength and versatility, FireLine is a thermally fused thread that holds up to the demanding constraints professional designers require.
It's my favorite thread to use when working with sea beads. FireLine resists abrasion, it threads effortlessly, and can be knotted and crimped without concern.
I like using FireLine for sun catchers because they're exposed to sunlight.
There's so many reasons why we use FireLine. It's impossible to highlight just one.
Whether the project calls for basic stringing or complicated weaving, FireLine gives our jewelry designers the confidence that their creations will withstand the test of time. Fire Mountain Gems and Beads offers FireLine in several classic colors and a variety of thread widths that will surely meet your designing needs. So come visit us at firemountaingems.com for all your jewelry supply needs, including FireLine.